So here we can see what happens when magnets go together naturally, the way they want to. They will act as cogged gears, counter-rotating. So you see counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise. See on the other side. I spin one to the right, goes to the left. Right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Go this way. You can really see it. They all counter-rotate. Okay. So originally, the experts said that the rollers orbiting around the SEG, they must always go counter-rotating to each other, because that is what they are used to seeing when magnets are connected to each other the way that they want to. But if magnets are forced together, even though they want to repel, within a larger axial field, so these are connected to a larger ring and then orbiting around them, then they will all act as planetary gears, rotating and orbiting in the same direction. Here are those same magnets, but around a larger axially magnetized magnet. And they go together the way that they want to, but they repel to each other. So if they orbit, they all spin in the same direction. Let's see there. Spin and orbit in the same direction. Little example.